Corruption/displacement program is enabled all over the education system. We need an audit of entire value chain. The ministers have plenty to explain and need to be held accountable. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. Corruption in NSFAS and the higher education institutions. NSFAS documentation leads one to believe only citizens benefit. But due to corruption, foreign nationals benefit from an intervention designed to uplift citizens, specifically previously disadvantaged natives. This enabled by Home Affairs corruption, a weak constitution, politicians, officials, unions and an infiltrated system. Remember, the native working in the institution and system at large see this corruption daily, but cannot talk up/whistleblow. They lose their jobs. They say there is limited budget, for example teacher training. They say there is skills shortage in the country, but they only have money and capacity to enroll foreigners. How? Numbers not adding up. Ask most graduates wanting to do their post-grad level the response they get. The answer is no funding for citizens at post-grad level, we paid for your junior grad. Native phobia and discrimination by design. The education system is there to empower the next generations with skill and knowledge to grow economy and country. It's part of a country's succession planning. Why does it discriminate our post-grads for foreigners? The situation is so bad you would think the PPMO is lying. A 25-year audit will confirm these facts. Native, you are being displaced from your land and economy. There is data/evidence at all levels of education to confirm this. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Tandi here. Awesome, have a great one.